What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making a Norwegian holiday flatbread called Lefse. It's a potato flatbread that is absolutely delish and is usually served with butter and sugar. Both sets of my great-grandparents came from Norway on my mother's side, and our family has been keeping this tradition alive each holiday season, and I'm happy to share our recipe with you. Here are today's ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. Peel and chop 10 pounds of potatoes, add cold water to the pot, boil for about 10 minutes or until you can easily pierce through the potatoes with a fork. Strain and put your potatoes in a very large bowl. Mash your potatoes, you want to make sure there are no lumps. Add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1.5 cups oil, 1 tablespoon salt, and 2 cups sugar. Go ahead and mix well. And then you don't have to use this, but I'm using an Emerge blender to make sure I got out all the lumps. And then cover with tin foil, and if cold enough, place in the garage or fridge overnight. This will make the lefse easier to roll out. The next day you want to add your bread flour to the potato dough. We used about 8 to 9 cups. You want your dough a little sticky but not too sticky. Next, add bread flour to the surface of your table. Take out dough chunks the size of a tennis ball and dip in flour to make it less sticky and shape into a ball. Set on parchment paper pan. Once pan is filled, keep them in the fridge until ready to roll out. And then taking one dough ball out of the fridge at a time, sprinkle flour onto your table. We also have a cloth down to help the dough from sticking. So sprinkle flour onto your rolling pin, roll out vertically and horizontally until your dough is flat like a crepe. Using a lefse stick, pick up your dough and place on the griddle. Ours was set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to let it cook for a few minutes on each side till you start to see it brown up a bit. And then remove and place under towels to keep the lefse from drying out. Cut the lefse in half and fold it into triangles. And then of course before serving, go ahead and add butter and sugar and enjoy this Norwegian holiday treat. You guys will have to tell me what's your favorite holiday baking tradition. Leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I will see you next week.